Imagine stepping into a classroom where engaged students replace the silence often associated with a traditional lecture. This is the essence of active learning, a transformative approach that energizes education. It's a deliberate method where students actively engage, questioning and exploring ideas. In higher education, this dynamic shifts the role from passive listeners to active participants, extending and refining the very ways in which knowledge sticks. Professors evolve into facilitators within a vibrant community of collaboration. As we explore active learning, consider its implications on enhancing how students engage and succeed, making the journey of learning as vital as the destination. Venturing into the higher education landscape reveals a stark contrast between teaching styles. Traditional classrooms, once focused on passive absorption, are giving way to the collaborative spirit of active learning. Education becomes a mutual endeavor, with lively discussions sparking from every interaction. The exchange of ideas transcends the old limitations, cultivating profound understanding and critical thinking. This method is a culture shift, leading to leaps in student engagement and opening doorways of discovery. Join me in understanding why active learning is crucial to the ongoing evolution of education. Let's dive into the benefits of active learning, where lessons resonate beyond the classroom walls. It dramatically increases student involvement, transforming classes into forums of eager minds. This hands-on exploration fosters deep, enduring connections with education. It sharpens critical thinking as students challenge assumptions and witness their concepts come alive. The knowledge gained embeds itself within as retention soars. We'll further examine how educators can craft strategies that inspire curiosity and transform their classrooms. Within education's tapestry, active learning stands out, turning classrooms into laboratories of thought where perspectives converge into a community of shared knowledge. Problem solving becomes a shared voyage, with students at the helm, while peer teaching empowers them to both impart and fortify their understanding. Far more than mere methods, these practices empower students along their academic journeys. As we examine how to integrate active learning into curricula, we witness its role in fostering self-sufficient, insightful learners. How do we unlock classroom potential? By integrating active learning into our curricula. The design of educational programs goes beyond content to include structures that emphasize interaction. Crucial to this transformation is teacher training, where educators learn to amplify each student's contribution in a setting where discovery reigns. The foundation set by curriculum integration supports resonant learning experiences. We'll explore the solutions that navigate this evolutionary path, aiming for a future where all learners thrive. Enthusiasm for active learning sometimes meets the inertia of resistance, whether from educators steeped in tradition or students adjusting to engagement. Budget constraints and time shortages also present challenges, yet they're not insurmountable. Strategic, collaborative planning allows these obstacles to become opportunities. The success stories we enter next exemplify overcoming such barriers, turning them into catalysts for achievement in active learning environments. Witnessing inspiring success stories, we see the results of embracing active learning: better exam scores, increased participation, and critical thinking. Indeed, in university settings, community colleges, and vocational institutes, active learning has led to academic enhancements, boosted confidence, and workforce readiness. The impressive statistics, higher retention rates, lower dropout rates, and positive feedback underline its effectiveness. As we advance, these stories light our way, showing how embracing innovative methods can reshape learning across diverse settings. The advent of the digital age revolutionizes online education, with active learning expanding into virtual spaces. Technological tools designed for education empower remote students to become interactive participants, erasing the distance between them. In this segment, we focus on how virtual platforms become part of the digital active learning tapestry, fostering a sense of community and interactivity essential for collaborative learning, and showcasing how they serve as beacons of progress in the educational sphere. We stand at the vanguard of educational innovation, where the future of active learning harbors untapped potential for an immersive learning experience beyond physical walls. Technology's role in collaboration, data in personalizing learning, and environments catering to diverse needs signal a transformative era. With every stride toward rethinking education, active learning solidifies as the bedrock for an inclusive and dynamic learning journey, lighting the way for future educators and learners to create a world of boundless educational opportunities. In concluding our exploration of active learning, we reflect on its capacity to fundamentally enrich the educational experience. It fosters critical thinking and lifelong learning, equipping students for life beyond academia. This is a call to action for educators to adopt and propel these methods, continuing to revolutionize teaching practices and unlocking every student's potential. The steps taken today will shape the future of education.